Yes, good evening, everyone. So, in the last class yesterday, we implemented login functionality and logout functionality. Login functionality, login redirect URL, logout. How to define separate logout destination page. And at the time of login, I can provide a username, password. Now, manually I created one username and password. By using that, I log into the application. Py manage.py run server. Copy this, go to the browser, paste it. Now, if I want to Java, Python, this one, log out. Yes, please log in again to enjoy the exams. Our login page came. Once I click on how I'm entering this username, manually I created one username. I'm going to the users table, admin panel. Inside this admin panel, go to the tables I created. By using add user, I created surname. Generally, that is not the process. You have to provide one sign up page. From that sign up page, you have to create credentials and those can be added to backend database. That is the requirement. Front end, you can define sign up. Users present who are there, add these users into by using the front end. This is sign up functionality. So how to implement this sign up functionality? The last concept, implementing the sign up functionality. So at the time of sign in a login, already in the login.html file, registration login.html form is there. But up to now, are we having any form? No forms. But how it is available means this form is available into the authentication application. Auth application that forms are there. That's it. Directly can provided form dot as underscore p will came. But sign up functionalities direct this form is not available. You have to create your own forms dot py. That too you have to provide a model form because I want to store the data into backend database. This is the table name. What is the table name? Users. So in this table, I want to store the data permanently. That's a model form is required compulsory. How to store data? This one. Actually here, whatever columns, everything available. So for that sign up button functionality, authentication application having form class to provide the login form. Authentication application having form class to provide the login form. But same authentication application does not contain any form class for sign up functionality. Sign up form class is not available. If a user sign up compulsory that information should be stored in database, that is in user table. This is the table name. In this table, I want to store the data. For that, highly recommended to take the model based form, not normal form. Display form to sign up and information should be stored inside the database directly. For such a type of requirement, highly recommended to go for model based one. So take one Python file, forms.py file. ఎక్కడ inside authentication project, test app, right click, new file, forms.py. Now here from Django, import forms class. Any name you have to provided, the class name is sign up form. Instead I have to take model name forms dot I have to take which class model, because I want to store the data. What is the class name? Meta class. Inside model name. What is the model name? User. And whatever fields you can require. All fields I don't want. Username, password, email ID, first name, last name. But where is this model? Generally, in our models, it is there. అది ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ మోడల్ అనుకుని we have to add from test app import to table I provided. But where is this user model? Is it our model class? No. So this user model class is available authentication application. So we have to provide that ఇదిగోండి from what is the app django dot contrib dot what is the application name athan dot what is available models in that what is the table name ఇదిగోండి user. So ఇది predefined application inside models are there in that user is there. I connected to that user, save these 4 details. That is the forms.py. So this form who is responsible send means view. Go to the views. News. Def sign up view request. Here what is the class name? Sign up form. Create object. Give reference variable form. Return render is the function. First argument request comma test app slash signup.html. Create one dictionary. The key is the form, value is also form. But where it is available from testapp.forms. Import sign up form is the class. This is the view. So now templates under test app, right click, new file, signup.html. Here login తీసుకుందాం. Login ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ జుంబోట్రాన్ కంటైనర్ ప్లీజ్ sign up to write exams method post form submit instead of login key sign up form division maximum. Okay, go to the urls, sign up view. This url you can mention to base. ఇక్కడ sign up place లో ఇది total cinema ready. Come to this one, go to the app, login, log out, sign up. Please sign up to write the exams. Now, here how many users are there? Two are there. One is Mahesh super user. Second one is the Sunny created normally. Now I have to create the username. The username Katrina. Password Mahesh123. Email ID @gmail.com. First name Katrina. Last name Kaif. If I click on sign up, data will be stored into database or no? Saved or not saved? Click on sign up. Forbidden CSRF token from ఇవ్వలేదా CSRF టోకెన్ ఉంది కదా అదేంటిది CSRF టోకెన్ ఫ్రమ్ పోస్ట్ ఫర్బిడెన్ ఏదో నార్మల్ ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది CSR వెరిఫికేషన్ ఫెయిల్డ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ అబౌట్ అదేంటి ఉంది కదా CSRF token form.asp sign up method post ఏదో అయ్యింది 1 minute sign up username password email ID first name last name sign up. So data will be saved or not saved? Go to there, check it. Edi not saved. Once I click on submit button, it should be displayed empty form because in your views, am I using any save method? Once you submit the empty form will be displayed. Empty form will be displayed. So you have to save that form to the database, then details will be saved. So for that, first we have to provide So now in the views.py, just I have to display the just I have to display empty form only. But I want to display the I want to store the data to the backend means put ikkada, yeah. Come to this. This form is pointing to the empty form if the request dot method equal to which method? Post method అయితే override that form, this empty form with user provided data. Sign up form with request dot post. What to do next? Save. Done. Now once it is their data, the form will be saved. Server is okay. Now come to our app. Go to the app. Go to the sign up. Now Katrina, password, email address, first name, last name. Sign up. Saved or not saved? అంటే ఇది యూజర్ డిస్ప్లే ఫామ్ విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేయింగ్. గో టు దేర్, రీఫ్రెష్. కత్తిన అవైలబుల్, నాట్ అవైలబుల్, అవైలబుల్. సో యూజర్ నేమ్ కత్తిన, పాస్వర్డ్ మహేష్ 123 కదా. కమ్ టు హియర్ అంటే ఈ ఫామ్ని ఐ విల్ ఎంటీ చేస్తాను. వెయిట్. నౌ లాగిన్. సార్ వాట్ ఇస్ ది యూజర్ నేమ్? Katrina. Password Mahesh 123. Now, is it login or no? Because it's gone already user created, not created. Available. Click on login. Please enter a correct username and password on them. Mahesh 123 only password. Capital M కాదు. That is not a problem. The problem is you can check with Sunny. Okay, first Sunny details you can check. It's got username Sunny. Okay. There is some algorithm is there. PBKDF2 SHA-256 algorithm. And what about Katrina? ఇదిగోండి ఏమన్నాడు అంటే పాస్వర్డ్ నాట్ సేవ్డ్. అంటే కత్తిరిన పాస్వర్డ్ ఇదిగోండి ఇన్వాలిడ్ పాస్వర్డ్ అన్నాడు. అదే ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ మహేష్ కానీ సన్నీ కానీ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ సమ్ అల్గరిథం. వాట్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ SHA-256. అంటే పాస్వర్డ్ షుడ్ బి స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్క్రిప్టెడ్ ఫార్మాట్, సెక్యూరిటీ రీజన్స్. బట్ కత్తిరిన యూజర్ ఉంది కానీ పాస్వర్డ్ నాట్ సేవ్డ్. అది ప్రాబ్లం. దట్స్ వై డస్ నాట్ రికగ్నైజెస్ ఇన్వాలిడ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఫార్మాట్, అన్నోన్ హ్యాషింగ్ అల్గరిథం. If you want to save, compulsory you can use some algorithms. SHA-256 కానీ, bcrypt, morgan, any algorithm. Encrypted format you have to store the values. That's why Katrina was not saved. That is the problem. Because of this line, direct you are saving plain text format. It is not stored in the back end. You have to convert this one into some encrypted format. You no need to do anything. By default, some algorithms are there like these SHA-256, those algorithms. By using that, we have to store it. So here, what I was doing is, in Django, auth application, user model, the password should not be saved directly. It should be hashed by using some security algorithm. The default hashing algorithm is Sunny. The PBKDF2 SHA-256 anta. That is the default algorithm. Why it is not saved means I am using one statement, form dot save. We are trying to save password in the plain text form. That's why internally it is getting error, this error, invalid password or unknown hashing. That is the problem. అందుకని యూజర్ క్రియేటెడ్ బట్ పాస్వర్డ్ నాట్ సేవ్డ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ. So how to convert to hashed password? Present I'm not using my own algorithms. There are two algorithms are there, bcrypt and Morgan 2. Present we are using this algorithm only. You no need to do anything, just we have to write a small function, set underscore password function. Then Django will take care about everything. So don't save directly, form dot save, not accepted. If normal data, table data, it will be saved. So for this, what we have to write the code is, don't save directly, okay? Store this one into one variable. Okay. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే ఇదిగో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ స్టోరింగ్ డేటా టోటల్ దిస్ వన్ ప్లెయిన్ టెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ విల్ బి assigned to one user. This user dot set underscore password to username model name dot password. Django will take care. It is converted the hashing password. Save this user. It is converted to hash password. Okay. This user you have to save. Don't save the form. Save this user. Sir, once it is saving previously, same page it is displaying, it is not redirecting to another page. Once data stored into the backend, I have to go to the login page. For that, what I was doing is from Django dot the module name HTTP import there is a HTTP response redirect class is there. For this, return HTTP response direct. Which one I want to go to login? What is the login URL? Accounts slash login. Then after saving, direct it will go to the login page because this is the login URL. Is going to base lo login the accounts as login. Come to here. Ikkada two users are there. Check it careful. 3. Katrina, Mahesh, Sunny. Okay. Come to here. Come to the first page. Sign up. Username. Karina. Password. Mahesh 123. All are small letters 123. Okay. Email. Karina@gmail. First name Karina. Last name Kapoor. Sign up. It is going to the login page. Now you can check it first internally how it is stored. Yes. Katirnakemo sorry boss annadu invalid because I'm not using anything hashing. Karina. And is it using SHA-256 or no? This time it will work out. Login with Karina. And Mahesh 123. Any exam you can write. Python, all the things. That's a hashing logout. Again, if you want to create anything, sign up. Enter the details, check in the background. But whatever algorithms are there are different algorithms are there. This is the predefined. Sunny Kani is got SHA-256. Mahesh Kani SHA-250. I want to my own algorithms also. Katrina not saved. Invalid algorithm. Karina default algorithm. We have our own algorithms also there. Whatever algorithms are there, password hashers. I will tell. Present views low. We have to write this is the complete code. How to save user provided data. So whenever you're using set password, user password, by default it is taken the built-in algorithm. That is you can carry on. Along with that, other algorithms also there. If you want use it, otherwise not required. That is whatever default SHA-256 is enough. It is default. If you want, you can use it. Argon 2 is the more secured. After that, bcrypt. Install in your machine. Pip. Install bcrypt. You won't do anything. Pip. Install Django of Argon 2. These two are available there in your machine. How to use it? More secured one, highest Argon 2. తర్వాత bcrypt. తర్వాత SHA-256. Argon 2 is the more secured one. But how to use this one means which algorithm we have to use. You have to specify more secured algorithm is Argon 2 followed by bcrypt and then by default SHA-256. Now which algorithm can I use? How to specify? By default SHA-256 it is taken. I want to create another user. I want to use Argon 2 or bcrypt. Then go to settings. Akkadi have to mention in settings.py. We have to configure password hashes. And whatever order you are given, based on that, it will be considered. ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ఏం మెన్షన్ చేయాలంటే settings.pyలో we have to give list of all the hashers. Top లో which one is there, it will be considered. For example, see, first don't write, check this. Spelling mistakes ఉంటే install labs, middleware, templates, WSGA, database, authentication, password validators, djunk.contrib.auth.password validation అది. So I have to mention password underscore hashers in the list. Our application వచ్చి django dot contrib dot authentication dot, the module name is hashers. Then contrib dot contrib dot auth dot password validation. This is the module name. The module name is hashers. Then contrib dot authentication dot, the module name is, the module name is hashers. Then contrib dot authentication dot, the module name is, the module name is hashers. Then contrib dot authentication dot, the module name is hashers. dot first algorithm argon 2 password hasher django dot contrib dot authentication dot hashers argon 2 password hasher చూద్దాం. First brat I'm given that one. Second bcrypt SHA-256 password hasher BC capital SHA SHA-256. ఇది second priority. Third one, I don't want SHA-256, only bcrypt password hasher. Then FB అదేంటది FB KDF2 password hasher. ఎక్కడ పీబీయా పీబీ KDF2 పీబీ KDF2 SHA-1 పాస్వర్డ్. ఇవ్వండి ఇప్పుడు ఇవి గివెన్ కదా, ఏమైనా స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఉంటే వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఎర్రర్. ఫస్ట్ విచ్ వన్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఆర్గాన్ 2 కాబట్టి యూ క్రియేట్ వన్ న్యూ యూజర్. నౌ కరీన్ అయిపోయింది కదా, మల్లిక పాస్వర్డ్ మహేష్123, ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్ mallika@gmail.com, ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ మల్లిక, లాస్ట్ నేమ్ షరావత్, sign up, created, go to there, refresh, check the Mallika, which algorithm they're using, argon 2. అదే అవి ఇవ్వకపోతే పాస్వర్డ్స్ SHA-256. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఆర్గాన్ వద్దు, జస్ట్ కమెంట్ ఇట్, ఫస్ట్ వన్ కమెంట్ చేయండి, సేవ్, కమ్ టు హియర్. ఓకే, నౌ సైన్ అప్. నౌ ధోని పాస్వర్డ్, ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి ధోని, sign up, created, come to here, back, refresh, ధోని కేమ్. ఫస్ట్ కమెంట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకుంటుంది, bcrypt, come to here, click on ధోని, bcrypt SHA-256. అది కూడా కమెంట్ చేస్తే నెక్స్ట్ వన్, అసలు పాస్వర్డ్ యాసెట్ తీసేస్తే బై డిఫాల్ట్ SHA-256 విల్ బీ కన్సిడర్డ్. ఇవన్నీ ఇంటర్నల్ థింగ్స్, అంత నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్, బట్ ఇలా వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ అవర్ ఓన్ password hashers also. The story of authentication and authorization chapter. నెక్స్ట్ 10th చాప్టర్, ఇంకా 4 ఉన్నాయి, అయితే మీ డిజంగో సిలబస్ కంప్లీటెడ్. So Django follows one architecture that is MVT, model, view, and template. Model means completely related to databases. You have to store data to the backend database. Okay. Now, template HTML files. View completely Python programming we have to write. How many types of views are there? Types of views. To event view, function based view and class. Up to now day one to today, all views whatever I'm written code in the views, is it function based or class based? Function, because everywhere def is the keyword which is used to declare the functions. Now we have to go with the next concept is that is what it is, class based views. And in this chapter mainly we have to go with CRUD operations. What is CRUD operations? By using CBVs and FBVs. ఇది 10th chapter concept. CRUD, create, retrieve, update, delete. Up to now I'm inserting data directly or retrieving, but now only in the front end page I have to insert data, I have to update, I have to delete, and I have to select. Total thing front end page only we have to do. Such operations are called as CRUD operations. CRUD operations are possible based on two ways. First I will tell FBVs. Same thing I can go with CBVs. First function based views I will explain. Then same CRUD operation by using CBVs. CBVs are very simple when compared with FBVs. That much code is also not there in the CBV. Very simple. Third topic is Django ORM. This is a main topic. These three are there in the 10th chapter. FBV, CBV, ORM. C meant for we go with create, insert operations, or retrieve, or read, select query, update, D. In our Oracle method is that delete, update, select. Those commands: select query, update query, delete query, insert queries are there in SQL. CURD and CRUD both are same. So first we will go with FBV based CRUD operations. How to insert record, retrieve, delete, update by using FBV. So now stop the server. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ story creation project tables HTML page. In that HTML I have to insert, delete, update all. Now Django hyphen admin start project FBV CRUD function based view CRUD operations project CD FBV CRUD project PY manage.py start app test app project got created inside app created after that add application to the py.file తర్వాత first models.py is required because I want to create model I have to store the data to the database backend so table is required and the only starting story model make migrations admin after that insert fake data populate.py file read the data display to the HTML page. After that, insert, update, delete. I want to provided. So go to the FBVF, this one. Settings. Install apps low. I have to go with test app. Go to the test app, models, class. Model name is employee. Models dot. Model is the class name. Employee number equal to models dot integer field. Employee name equal to models dot character field maximum length ఇది మనం పేకర్ మాడ్యూల్ కదా ఎక్కువ ఇవ్వండి సైజు ఎంప్లాయీ శాలరీ ఈక్వల్ టు మోడల్స్ డాట్ ఫ్లోట్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎంప్లాయీ అడ్రస్ ఈక్వల్ టు మోడల్స్ డాట్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఫీల్డ్ maximum length 256 ఇది మోడల్ క్లాస్ make migrations and migrate so you have to go with py manage.py make migrations migrate done now register to admin.py Go to admin. Here you have to register your model. Class employee admin. Admin is the model. Model admin is the class. One variable is there. What is the variable name? List underscore display. Which columns you have to display? Number, name, salary, address. How to register admin dot site dot register. First model name is employee. Second model name is employee admin. But employee is available from testapp dot models import employee. ఇది కూడా మీకు తెలిసిందే ఆల్రెడీ we did so many times. Same activity. Create super user, check for a table. Below I have to create super user py manage.py create super user. Leave blank address .com password. Yes, run the server. Server started. Employees, no employees. Now I have to insert the data, dummy data. Then we go with populate.py. By using faker model, I can insert some dummy details, some records. అంతకుముందు which project we are using? The project లో వాడాం కదా, కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఫిల్టర్, ఫామ్ మహేష్ జాబ్స్. మోడల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ 3. అన్ని ఫీల్డ్స్ డిఫరెంట్గా అవన్నీ. అవి రోల్ నెంబరు, నేము, డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్, మార్క్స్, ఈమెయిల్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్. మనకని లేవుగా. ఇంకో దాట ఎక్కడ వాడాం ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్కి. ఇది పెద్ద స్టోరీ ఇదంతా. ఇది రేపు పని చేద్దాం, లేదంటే కాపీ చేసి. మన ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏంటిది? FBV కదా. రైట్ క్లిక్, take a file populate.py inside paste. ఇక్కడ model project 3 బదులు I have to give an FBV CRUD project. Django setup test app models. What is the model name? Employee. Faker module star faker equal to faker. Take one function def populate of n for I in range of n. Generate the number fake employee number equal to random module I imported. Inside one function is there randint comma 999 fake e name. The reference variable is faker dot name is the function. Fake salary fake e sal equal to rand integer of 10,000 నుంచి 20,000. Fake e address faker dot city. All four values are generated. Fake employee number, fake employee name, salary and address. How to inserted emp underscore record equal to what is the model name? Employee dot what is the method? Property objects dot one method is either get or create. Internally pass your values. That is original table number, employee number, fake employee number. Employee name equal to fake e name. Employee salary equal to fake e salary. Next, employee address equal to fake address. Fake ఇక్కడ ఆరపడిందా fake e address. Now all are came. Come outside. What is the n value? Input. Enter number of employees. It is string convert into integer. Now call the function populate of n you can pass. Now print f string curling brace n is the replacement, so and so records are inserted successfully. Now done. Come to here, stop the server, py populate.py, enter number of employees 1. One record inserted successfully. Run the server, go to the back, indaka 0 employees, now refresh. Employee number, employee name, salary, address. I want to add more employees. Stop the server, populate.py 50. Inserted successfully, run the server, come to here, refresh. 50 objects are there. Weekly I want to read display to the HTML. In that HTML, I have to provide an insert button, update button, delete. I want to delete one particular record. Either one record I want to delete. Akkada I want to provide one button. Once front end, if I deleted, the records will be deleted. If I want to insert from the front end, back end data will be inserted. Those are called as CRUD operations. ఇది populate.py. Sorry, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue.